Top quality enterprise with advanced technology. Sewoon Mulsan Corporation. LED headlamp for tractors. It is suitable for small electric vehicles as it consumes less electricity by using low current LED. It can be used semi-permanently because it has a longer life than halogen-used lamp, so it is also helpful for the environment. It also shows excellent light distribution performance, and it is helpful for safe driving at night. Top quality enterprise with advanced technology. Sewoon Mulsan Corporation.